Hello, my friend. How are you today? I am Protulia Xeta-Llouns, and this is Mexican Allies on the third day of the Trezene dog. Today is 3 Malinalli, 3 twisted herb. Today is a day for thinking about what are we missing. Which aspect of life are we short of? Perhaps it's love, perhaps it's awareness, perhaps it's money. Everybody complains about this, but the thing is you have enough, because also it's like the plants. You have plenty. Perhaps it's too much, because then the plant dries. Patekatl is the god of the day. Yay, Malinalli, 3 twisted herb. Well, is the god of the day, Malinalli. And Patekatl is the god of the plants and the health that you receive through the plant. Why is this? They must have put them in the day Malinalli because of something. Because the plant needs to heal. Interesting that the plant needs to heal, and the plant also heals. And this is perhaps what we are lacking. Perhaps the plant healed so much that now she's dry. She gave too much of herself, and now she's twisted and almost useless. So now, what is she gonna do? Is she going to die? Or is she waiting for the rain to come, to become green again? To be able to give a little bit more of medicine to the people who needs it. Everything is a cycle, and we all need to rest in order to be ready for more. The dog knows this. The dog is very good at resting when he needs it. Most of the time they are just laying there, scratching their, every part they can scratch, and taking a little nap. And also they're ready to wake up in any minute. They are super good friends and companion because of this, because they are always ready to do anything we want. It is amazing how they teach us on how to live life full of love and vigor and joy, and being always helpful. There's only a few dogs that are selfish and moody, and they have a bad heart. It's perhaps not the fault of the dog. Perhaps they just treated him bad, and he has been beaten so many times that now he doesn't know how to receive the medicine. He doesn't know how to receive a tender hand that scratches his back. He wishes it, but one thing is to wish it, and the other one is to be able to receive it. So he wishes it, but when the hand is touching the back, he retaliates, he refuses it. He squirms and runs away. He stays still. He is frozen and perhaps even answer back, growling and biting, because the touch is too much. The touch is so magical and so powerful that only one touch can either heal you or kill you if you are not used to. So today is a good day to water the plant. Xeta-Llouns is the goddess of the third day, and she's giving us a chance to help our plant recover. How? Well, eating healthy and also spending the time with the people you love, resting and enjoying and just laughing and sharing what you have got, because all together make a very good mix for the medicine to come through and heal everybody. Have a nice day and see you next time.